Okay guys, this is the wig I was actually super excited to get. Yes, I finally got it. It came like in 3 or 4 days. So that surprised me. But this is the Beyond Imagination. And that's by the SIS Wig Company. And this is the one with the full circle lace front. I'm loving it already. It's a 1B. Okay. I'm so excited to try this baby on. Do you know? Let's do this, baby. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says something fab. Can't really see it, but and this the Beyond Imagination with the full circle. Full circle. That's right. So you can get a ponytail on the top or a bun or whatever when you do your lace frontal. Yes. Ooh, 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 ooh. Pretty packaging. I like that. Black and gold. There we go. Nice and classy. Just like me. And she's just beautiful, man. She is rocking this for real. Like, so is she. Or is that the same person? Yeah. Let's see if I look like that when I put it on. Nice and neat. Let's open this. Okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's already separated. I like that. Oh, here's a clearer shot. You can see that. All right. Beyond Imagination, boo. Let's take a look. Ooh, ooh, I'm loving it. I am loving it already. Look at that. With my color makeup, kind of bleach it. Well, I'm just going to put some makeup on it. Oh my gosh. It comes with the baby hairs already down. Yes. So happy. Look at that. Oh, neat. I'm liking this. I can't wait to try this baby on. Full circle, boo. When I really like something, I sound a little ghetto, right? I'm just kidding, 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 kidding. Full circle, y'all. Full circle. Isn't that pretty? Got the baby hairs pumping. All right. And it's long, too. Look how long that is. That's long. That's going to be cute. Let me go ahead and try this on. I need you guys to participate. If y'all like it on me, give it a thumbs up. If I should just send it back, let me know. Okay? Let me try it on. Liking it. Undo this. Taking that net off. I like it that they put the net on. Keep it neat. Ooh, it's soft. That's real soft. It is so pretty and curly and soft. Oh man, I like that. Take out the insides. I guess this is to keep the shape. I'm loving it. Ooh. I love this. I love it. I love it. I ain't even tried it on yet, y'all. Oh, wait. Is that combs I feel? Ooh, look. Ooh, look. Combs. So there's 2 combs in the front, 1 and 2. Can y'all see that? And 1 back here, and it has the adjustable strap, and it is sewn very well. This is nice. It's so soft, not too thick, not too many threads. I'm loving this. It's beautiful. This is really, really, really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Now let me try it on. Oh wait. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I think I like it a lot. Oh, I look so young. I look mad young in this. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, I look young, right? I guess I could pass for like in my 30s, right? I look like I'm in my 30s. Maybe my late 30s. Oh, I love this. What y'all think? What y'all think? Come on now. Stop. Stop. Stop the press. This is dope. I'm loving it. I'm screaming. I'm sorry. I'm normally calm with these videos, but I am so happy. This is so cute. What? Giving me attitude, boo. Now I'm just being silly. Look at that. Come on, let's inspect this. Look at that. Child, please. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see how cute this is? I really wish this was, I really, really wish this was my own hair. But it's not. This is cute. Trying to get y'all to see everything. And I'm not going to have any shedding with this. This is some high quality stuff right here. If you got, I'm telling you right now, seriously, if you guys trust me, this is bomb.com. I know they're not saying that term anymore, but this is hot. This is it. This is like, I got 3 wigs in the same package. I ordered 3 wigs. I got 3 wigs. This is my best one. And they all are made by the same company. But for sure, this is the best. I'm so like, look at that. Oh my God. Oh, I'm so excited. Let me turn around. Squeaky chair. Hey. I like this. Ooh. It makes me want to dance. It makes me want to be cute. Hey. 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 I'm telling you, for my older ladies, if y'all want to feel young and vibrant, I'm telling you, this wig is it. Yes, I'm not gonna mess with it. I was gonna do a little bun right here, but oh, I think I should. Look how cute. Oh my God, this is so cute. I like it down though. That's cute, but I like it down. Makes me feel cute. Ooh, look. It's so soft. It's so soft. Oh my goodness. And it's not too shiny. For real. This is the bomb. Okay. Right here. Do I look like her? No. I wish I did though. I'm going to stand up so you guys could see the full length. My new wig. I'm loving it. I'm going to move back. Move back. I gotta bend down because the camera's angling down. So yeah. Here you go, guys. Move this to the back so you can see the full cuteness of it all. Okay. This is cute. Don't y'all think this is cute? So if you like it, leave me a comment and let me know it looks great. And if it doesn't look great on me, please be honest, be truthful. Comment in the section below. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe because I got some good stuff coming next week. I am doing a crochet, no braids. Maybe. Depends on what I got going on. But check it out. Check it out. Maybe I shouldn't dance, right? I can't dance, but big girls need love too now. Hey. Hey. I don't know, y'all, but this wig gives me so much attitude. Really. It's like a whole new different personality. This is a personality. I think I'm gonna name her. What should I name this wig, y'all? Sassy? No, let's name it Fab, because that's what it's called, Fab. Beyond Imagination. So I guess this is a Beyond Imagination line, and they call it Fab. And to reiterate, this is a 1B, which is my natural hair color, if it's not gray. It was my natural hair color. But yeah, this is it. This is it. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go. I kept you guys too long, right? I'm just loving it. Don't you understand? Really? No shedding, no loose. Oh, it's so nice. I love it. It is nice. Trust and believe you are going to want one of these. Full circle, baby. Full circle. Full circle, baby. Baby hair. I'm gonna buy me another one. Just in case they discontinue these. Because ladies, or whoever, men, ladies, whoever, you know, when you look good in something and you really like it, they discontinue it after a while. It's like, okay, we did away with the old one. Now we got something new. Y'all gonna like this. But no, I like this. And I want this. And I want this to stay around forever. But just in case, I'm just going to order it again and buy another one. I'm loving it. Talk to you guys later. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I got some goodies in store for you guys. You guys are my friends. I love you guys. Y'all support me. You don't even know. That means a lot. I'm kind of a loner in my personal life. I don't have like a lot of friends. You know, I got like 3 or 4 friends that I grew up with. But, you know, they live in New York. I don't live in New York. So I don't have any friends. So I rely on you guys to be my friend. I enjoy the comments that you be making in the comment section. I enjoy conversing back and forth. And if I talk too much, just be like, okay, all right, lady. Because I could chat back and forth. I'll be like, yeah, okay, weird, right? But it's okay. It's okay. Y'all love me. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm a slay. This is a slay, sis. Beyond imagination. See you guys soon.